My name is David Vorman. I'm from Flasc Paintball, and today I'm going to be doing some sound testing on the new BT TM-15 Paintball marker. What I'm going to be doing is we're going to use 3 different barrels to try and test the sound differences between them when being used on the TM-15. I have a digital sound level reader which I'm going to use to give us some more accurate results. I'll show you the setup I've got. I've got a TM-15. It's clamped down so it's going to shoot from the exact same place with its stock 14-inch barrel. I also have 2 Flasc Paintball 12-inch barrels and a tip which I'm going to use just because it makes it 14 inches just to make it a little bit more realistic. When people play, they're going to be using a tip. So the first barrel is completely unported, and the second one is our SQB barrel with the O-ring system. And here's the digital sound level reader I'm using. So let's set it up and we will start the test. Okay, shot 1, stock barrel. 69.1. Just going to rotate that marker a little bit more to the left. Let's reset the meter and we'll take the second shot. $66.3. Shot number 3. That is 65.3. Just writing these all down as we do this. Shot number 4 is 68.0. And our last shot is 67.8. Okay. So, I wrote down the data from all the shots. So now, take this off. Apologize in advance if some of the quality of this video isn't the greatest. I'm actually using my phone to take this. My camera kind of went on the fritz a little while back. Okay, so put the SQB in next. Okay, and let's reset the meter and we'll do this again. Shot number 1, SQB, 68.1. Reset the meter. Shot number 2, 67.5, and there goes my pen, 67.5. $66.0. Shot number 4, 67.0. Reset the meter. And our last shot. 65-1. Okay. So, I'm going to see if I can get this whole thing out at once. Perfect. Okay. So, now we're going to put our unported barrel. Put you up there so you don't fall off. Okay, unported. That's the one it was in. Reset the meter again. Shot number 1. 83.8. Shot number 2. 80.2. Shot number 3. Uh-oh. What did I do there? Oh, camera fell down. Wasn't the meter at all. Okay, third one was 81.5. Let's reset. Fourth shot. 82.8. Let's reset. Final shot. 85-1. Okay. And then let's just take the tip off here. Just for kicks, I'm going to do one more section of this. So, now what I'm going to do is we're going to come over and pick up a canonizer tip. Just figured at the last minute, let's do one more test. So I'll just have to make a new section here. Let's reset. Let's fire shot number 1 with the canonizer. 86.4. Wow, it sounded a lot louder than that. 86.4. Let's reset. Fire shot number 2. 80.6. I don't even think I'm going to have to reset for shot number 3. There you go, 83.7. Let's reset for shot number 4. 86. 0.0 that one was, right? Yep, 0.0. Let's reset and we will do our final shot. $87.6. I almost wrote that one, 86.7. Okay, so I'm going to have these results posted up shortly.